This is the cheapest point in time to buy Cardano? What is ADALend? Cardano Wales controls all ADA in supply? If you want to learn all about it, then stay with me to find out more. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell. Hello guys. Welcome to Cardano Rumors, the best place for your daily dose of Cardano. Cardano ADA United States dollar is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform and recently introduced a programming language known as Plutus for writing smart contracts on its blockchain after its Alonzo hard fork. This has paved the way for much future development within the Cardano ecosystem, and we are starting to see some progress. Few days ago, we discussed how the Cardano-based DEX and AMDOX launched their public sale on Kick.io. Later on, throughout the month, on December 6th, the Cardano community Twitter page announced that there were over 1 million delegated Cardano wallets. We also saw Sundeswap DEX on Cardano launch their public testnet at this time. In a huge development period for the Cardano blockchain, on December 8th, we saw a significant increase in the number of Plutus-based smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Additionally, within the last 24 hours, Cardano's market cap kicked back up by 2%, which shows that it is climbing back up in value. That said, each of these developments and the overall growth of the Cardano ecosystem can contribute to a growth of the value of the ADA token in the future. Should you buy Cardano? On December 15th, Cardano had a value of $1.25. To see what this value point means for the ADA token, we will compare it to its all-time high volume as well as the performance it had last month. In terms of the ATH value point of the ADA token, it raised to a value of $3.09 on September 2nd. At its ATH value point, the token was $1.84 higher in value, or by 147%. However, when we look at the value of the token in November, its highest point was at $2.33 on November 9th. Its lowest point of value of the month was on November 28th, when the token decreased to a value of $1.46. This means that the token decreased in value by 87 cents, or by 37%. However, from November 28 to December 15, the token fell by an additional 21 cents. According to data from Into the Block, Cardano saw $40.07 billion in transactions greater than $100,000 within the last 7 days. With this in mind, December 15 might be one of the cheapest value points for the token, and it is a recommended buy. ADA has a lot of developments under its belt and has the potential to climb back up to $2 by the end of January 2022, making it a solid purchase. However, if the token drops under $1.20 in value, then it might be worth reconsidering. What is ADALend? In order to diversify their portfolios, crypto traders turn to fixed income instruments like bonds and stocks. A substantial economic force to be reckoned with, the cryptocurrency market is a legitimate source of debt securities that are no less reputable than their equivalents. With interest rate derivative products, the creditors in the cryptocurrency market, mostly comprised of lenders and borrowers, hope to stabilize their revenue and reduce their risk. There are two types of interest rate derivatives in the crypto market, one that lets you extend the length of your loan and one that enables you to raise the interest rate. In the traditional financial markets, there is a big difference between the interest rates offered to borrowers and the interest rates offered to lenders. The same is true in the crypto financial market. ADALend's utilization ratio. The interest rates for both borrowers and lenders will fluctuate with the changes in the utilization ratio of the loans in the specific pool. The interest rate is dependent on the total amount of money available in the liquidity pool, which is denominated in the platform's LP token. If more people are looking to borrow than funds in the liquidity pool, the interest rate increases. If more people are trying to lend than borrowers, the interest rate decreases. The utilization ratio is a ratio between the total amount of tokens in circulation and the amount of tokens actually used by the platform. The ADALend platform is designed to maintain the utilization ratio at a low level for non-stable coins. In doing so, the platform will maintain a higher amount of tokens in circulation at the same time. The higher amount of token in circulation will allow for the platform to support liquidity mining, in which the token holder is rewarded for holding the token. The token holder will be rewarded for holding the token by receiving loan interest from the borrower. When the borrower pays off the loan, the lender will pay back the interest to the token holder who has been holding the token. This is what makes the token a valued asset. ADALend protocol for efficient idle asset management. The protocol will reduce idle assets on the platform by shifting a portion of them to stable swap platforms with no temporary loss within the acceptable range. The core program architecture of the ADALend project includes making use of idle assets. Rather than storing your assets in cold storage, they can be leased out or borrowed to support the ADALend lending protocol. This will not only aid in the recovery of the asset's idleness, but it will also result in a profit for the asset's owner as a result of its sale. It will, in turn, be beneficial to everyone in the blockchain market sector, which makes use of the Cardano ecosystem as a result of this, which assures an equitable asset allocation based on the terms of the loan arrangement between the borrower and lender. Cardano Whale controls 94% of all ADA in supply. Whales, crypto wallets holding large amounts of a particular cryptocurrency, for long have been said to manipulate the market. In the case of Cardano, this statement can be said to be 94% true. According to data from Coinmetrics, the top 10% of Cardano whales hold a massive 94% of all Cardano 31 billion ADA out of the total 33.43 billion coins currently circulating in the market. How did Cardano get here? In 2021, Cardano has been one of the most active networks, completing the Alonzo network upgrade, ushering the network into an age of smart contracts, dApps, and DeFi. As the Cardano network released updates, the data showed that whales continued to accumulate ADA rather than sell their coins. At the start of 2021, the top 10% of Cardano addresses held 30 billion ADA coins. However, the number of ADA held by these addresses has now gone up by over 1 billion, representing an increase of 3%. Prices of Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, were down 99% on crypto tracking site CoinMarketCap. But don't worry, your Bitcoins aren't suddenly worthless. The extreme drop in prices was due to a glitch on the website, which surfaced during the early hours of Wednesday. The glitch wrongly displayed cryptocurrency trading prices and was solved after nearly an hour. Pricing data has since come back to normal at press time, but data for all-time highs for cryptocurrencies remains faulty. For example, Bitcoin's all-time high is still being displayed as $8.6 million on CoinMarketCap, which is far beyond its $69,000 peak in May 2021, as per CoinGecko. This means if Bitcoin is shown trading at $49,000 on CoinMarketCap, the figure is calculated by recording the actual trading prices on several trusted crypto exchanges. But as with all things technology, mistakes do occur. A bug on CoinMarketCap wrongly displayed the prices of all cryptocurrencies early Wednesday, even as exchange data itself remained accurate. This led to the price of Bitcoin being displayed as high as $789 billion, giving it a market capitalization of $14.7 quintillion. Other large-cap cryptocurrencies like Ether and Cardano witnessed similar woes, reaching prices as high as $757,200 and $256, respectively. The real prices, at press time, are a more tamer $3,867 and $1.25. The glitch caused the likes of Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov to recommend decentralized alternatives to provide pricing data. This recent glitch is exactly why blockchain applications and smart contracts need to use decentralized oracle networks like Chainlink, he said in a message to CoinDesk. Relying on a single oracle or a single source of data is a recipe for disaster that undeniably puts user funds at risk. What are your thoughts on this? Tell me in the comments section. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a like. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. Thank you for watching and stay strong.